Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Office error code your computer trusted platform has malfunctioned. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand cryptography. Click and expand protect. Click and expand providers. Click key ending with EB. Right-click new D-word 32-bit value. Type protection policy, P and P are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.